The age you start CPP is very important because there are adjustments that will either shrink or grow your basic retirement pension amount depending on whether you start earlier than age 65 or later than age 65. You can start as early as age 60 or as late as age 70. The basic amount will shrink more the earlier you start CPP compared to age 65. The basic amount will grow more the later you start CPP compared to age 65. The age you start CPP really moves the needle because these adjustments can be huge. The basic amount is reduced by 0.6% for each month earlier than age 65 that you decide to start taking CPP. This is a reduction of 7.2% per year for each year that you start earlier than age 65. The earliest you can start CPP is age 60, and if you start at age 60, your basic retirement pension will shrink by 36%. On the other hand, the basic amount grows by 0.7% for each month later than age 65 that you decide to start taking CPP. This is growth of 8.4% per year for each year that you start later than age 65. The latest you can start CPP is age 70, and if you start at age 70, your basic retirement pension will grow by 42%. The trade-off is you can get money earlier, but if you do that, you'll get less money, or you can get more money if you start later. Earlier might sound better, but so does more. The rates for the reduction and growth are called actuarial adjustment factors, or age adjustment factors. The age adjustment factors weren't always 0.6% and 0.7% per month. Historic age adjustment factors are shown here on the reference tool. When the CPP started in 1966, the age adjustment factors for both reduction and growth were 0.5% per month. In 2010, the age adjustment factor for growth was gradually increased from 0.5% to the current value of 0.7% over a 3-year period. In 2011, the age adjustment factor for reduction was gradually increased from 0.5% to the current value of 0.6% over a 5-year period. The age scale provides a reminder of the age adjustments here between age 60 and age 70, which is the period when you can decide to start taking CPP. I discussed the age scale in more detail in another video.